Well, it finally came in. Guess what this is for the F-150. That's right. Cupholderhero. Bought these with my own money. $50 Canadian. This was like the middle of September 2022 from Amazon. Different trims cost different. I got the gray trim because my truck is gray. I could have got red, blue. There had a whole bunch of different trims, but I saw this on a Facebook post one time, and I thought, you know what? For $50, it dresses up your truck a little bit. And basically what it does is it fits in where all your cubbies are and your cup holders and all that. Nice little trim there. So let's unpack this and see what we got. I'll tell you, it's heavy. That is, I can tell right away, it's good rubber. It's heavy. Again, that's who they are. Got some 3M stickers here. I wonder what that's for. Please follow the instructions carefully. Looks like I gotta go to that website. Yeah, look at those. I'm gonna, oh my lord, it's gonna be like a puzzle. Let's find the opposite of everything here. That looks like opposite. Okay, the opposite of that one. Nice little things like that. Isn't that cute? Oh, look at that piece. It's one forever. Look at all those pieces. What a quality set. I'm going to count them. Well, I count at least 38 pieces. Oh my lord. And the quality, it's just remarkable. Now, like I said, could have come in different trim colors. I chose a gray because my truck's carbonized gray. Okay, well, it looks like I gotta go download these instructions because I don't know where to start. Okay, well, we're not off to a good start here. Looks like their instructions don't want to show up for my 2021 or 2022. The 20 does, but that's 13th gen. This is 14th gen truck. So it's going to be a puzzle. But from the gist of it that I got from the 2020 instructions is that obviously everything's got to be super clean. Vacuum out all my little holes. Then I'm going to wipe them down with some nice clean soapy water. Let it dry, and then we'll put all the pieces together. Both of us. I'll need your help. Okay, I got the puzzle figured out, so I'll help you guys out. Driver's door. That goes up in here. Driver's side passenger door. Those 5 pieces. And these door ones, they go up pretty high. Okay. Here are the pieces for the passenger door. One extra little guy up there. Okay, the pieces for the passenger rear door. Okay, this goes inside the center console way at the bottom. This goes in that little tray that's in the center console when you close the lid. And that's your center console rear passenger cup holders, and that's the divider. And the factory thingamajiggy. And then put in a nice fancy one. And two round holders with that over here. Very detailed there. Okay, let's continue on to the front part of the console. And here is the front part of the console. So that goes beside the driver's leg, passenger leg. There's the two front cup holders. That's that little strip there that doesn't fit too well. It needs to be narrower. I'll show you. And that kind of goes underneath your shifter if you put your shifter to fold down. And that goes way up front where your USB-C charger is. There's that. There's this. And the factory did have one in there, but I tried it with both this and the factory one, and this didn't want to go all the way down. So I removed the factory one, and I'll just go put this one down there. And then this guy, obviously the only place is here, doesn't fit too well. It's a little bit too wide. So it's a little bit too wide. I got it down there. Nothing for this glove box, which seems weird because they included one for this glove box. And it fits perfect. Like, it mimics the factory one. So then I thought, well, they don't have one up here, which seems odd. You know, so I tried to fit up here, and yeah, it doesn't look like it. Like, look how the corner is. You know, so this does not fit up here. But I'm going to leave it there. I like that there instead of in here. Who cares what's in there? So, yeah, kind of weird. They made one for this, not for that, and not for this. I have nothing that looks like this at all in my package. Mentioning my package, let's show you the leftover pieces that I have no clue where they go. I've plugged every hole that I could find. I even looked up here in my sunglasses, and that doesn't fit anything. So I don't know where those other pieces are, and I'll show you those other pieces right now. Okay, so those are the 6 pieces that I have left over. I got 4 of these 3M sticky pads that I don't know what they're for, but I'm almost guessing it's these really high ones. That goes all the way up to here, so maybe it's to tape it up there, but we'll see if it stays there. I'm not too concerned about it. So, and again, here's the one from the top that, to me, that should have came before above glove box. What do I think of this? Well, it's nice, but it's nowhere from, you know, to my standards perfect. Like, they should have included one for the very top of the dash. Everyone sees that. They don't see the inside of the glove box. We're inside the console. Cupholderhero, not a bad job. Too bad their website wasn't working. I've gone a couple of times now, and I've used different browsers plus my cell phone, and it just does not want to bring up the instructions for the 2021/2022 F150. So I thought this was going to be a simple little thing, but it wasn't. Nice little addition to the Ford. Yeah, okay. $50 Canadian. Whatever. Okay. Good luck with your Ford.